12th grader Katrina is in an introductory astronomy course. Her drawing of our universe is like that of early 20th century scientists who believed that our galaxy was the full extent of the universe. She first draws the solar system and then adds a sea of stars.
So the stars, they go all around our solar system. Oops. And we see them all the time, well, except during the day, obviously, but we always see stars in the sky. It's not like there's going to be a blank spot of stars.
Tell me about how far out you think we know about or the stars go.
When you look out and you see stars, you just see multitudes of stars. And there probably really isn't an edge that we can definitely see. So you look out and probably see more stars. Out here, we just haven't been able to see them.
Now, have you talked at all in class or have you heard the term galaxy or Milky Way?
Yeah, well, a galaxy is a cluster of stars. So technically all around us is a galaxy. So we're like in a galaxy because we're surrounded by stars. Like, let's say this is like the boundary of what we can see. There's probably plenty more out there, plenty more stars. But what we've been able to realize is our part, like, we've mapped out kind of that this is just like our galaxy. They don't want to have a solar system and then just stars. And then out here there could be like another galaxy, and like you've just kind of like plotted your place in the galaxy and you just name them different things in order to like categorize them, like constellations. You can organize them a certain way, so we could organize ourselves into one galaxy. And we could organize another part into a galaxy, so it's a bigger grouping than just our solar system.
At first inspection, Katrina appears to understand the relationships between the solar system, stars, and our galaxy. She correctly places the stars outside of the solar system and suggests that we are located in a galaxy because stars surround us. But Katrina does not yet understand that a galaxy is an actual physical structure with a definite size and shape. Rather, she uses the term galaxy as an arbitrary label for organizing the stars in the sky, comparing it to the way we define constellations.
How does a galaxy compare to a constellation? You've mentioned you've seen constellations.
Constellations, like, it's a grouping of a few stars that someone decided looked like something, so they could organize the sky, I guess you could say.
Yeah.
And a galaxy?
A galaxy is a massive amount of stars that can contain constellations. Like our solar system is just the sun and the planets, and then the galaxy is like the stars and what's inside, everything around it. Like, so our galaxy is as big as we can think, as big as we can see.
Yeah, talk a little bit about that, because you've been saying that this is the stuff we can see, but we think there's other galaxies out there. Can you?
As far as we know, for all the things that we can see are, I hate to say it, like technically ours. Like, we almost own them. And even if, like, when we see further, I think our galaxy will become bigger because we've seen it and there's no one else to say that it's theirs. So we're just gonna take up everything, I guess. So everything that we can see is part of our galaxy, it kind of seems like.
Katrina defines everything we can see in our universe as a single galaxy. Like many students, she does not have a clear understanding of what a galaxy is or of the relationship between the structure of our own galaxy and our larger universe of billions of galaxies. What kinds of classroom experiences and discussions might help Katrina improve her mental model of our universe?